Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just tap on it to activate the Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see here all of the available options. Just choose one from the network and enter your passwords. Click here to the show password checkbox and then just tap to connect. After that we could see that our device, okay, it's not connected. Okay, so now our device successfully connected to this network. Connected to the device. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just first we should open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings hold it for a while, and after that enter the network, select the network and the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.